If you do not show up today, do not come back home tonight.
I promise. I will be there soon.
I have to go anyway. I do not care about this code anymore.
If you leave the office right now, you are completely fired from work.
Sara, breakfast is all ready for you. Eat up and get the energy you need to win that gold trophy.
I look like a real princess today. But will Dad actually come to see me?
He will definitely be there for you.
I really want him to watch me.
Yes, of course he will come today. He knows this is a very big day.
Do not believe his words anymore, Sara.
You are kidding me. He promised me this time. He will come to see my dance today. He promised to come to my party, but he didn't come. This time is very different for him. Let's wait and see if he comes.
Stop saying those bad things right now. I am only telling the truth, Mom. Dad made it several times already. I know. Let's forget the past.
Sara, did you pack your blue water bottle inside your heavy dance bag?
Yes, Mom. It is in my bag.
Check your dance shoes one more time.
Do not forget your pink dance shoes. I have them right here with me.
Okay, let's take all your heavy bags and wait for Dad in the room.
Good morning, my beautiful girls. I am so ready for the big day today.
Daddy, you wear nice clothes right now.
You are the #1 star today. I dreamed about this special day, Sara.
I am so happy you are here.
Wait a minute. My work phone is ringing right now. I must answer it.
Dad, it's always work with you. Are you sure you won't come to see Sara today?
Come on, let me answer my boss's call.
Yes, boss. I know it is a very big emergency at the busy office.
Are you going to work again, Brian?
I just need you to go to the office to fix the system.
You cannot leave us right now, Brian.
I promise I will meet you there.
I will finish this fast and drive straight to the theater.
If you do not show up today, do not come back home tonight.
I promise. I will be there soon.
Let's go, Sara. He will not come. Please do not be late today, Dad.
Yes, Sara. I will run to the theater today if I really have to. Okay, I must leave right now. I will see my girls very soon.
Boss, what is going wrong with the computer system?
Mom, my stomach hurts so much because I am very nervous right now.
Fix this important code right now, Brian. You cannot leave the busy office.
You will be completely fine, Sara. Just take a deep breath for me.
Come on, stupid computer. Please load faster so I can see my daughter.
What time is it right now, Mom? He should be here by now.
It's almost time for your first exam. Stay calm, okay?
Mom, look! I think Dad has arrived. I heard the door open.
I finally made it here, Lily, my beautiful sweetie. Give me a big hug.
It is not Dad. He broke his promise to me again today, Mom.
I am going to call him right now on my mobile phone, Sara.
Hello? Mia? Please tell me you can wait for a few more minutes.
Where are you right now? She goes on stage in exactly 10 minutes.
I cannot leave the office right now. The main computer system is broken.
You promised her this morning, Brian. You are a terrible father to her.
I know I promised. Just give me 5 more minutes to fix this.
Goodbye, Brian. Do not bother to come back to our home tonight anymore.
Mia? Please listen to me, Mia. Do not hang up the phone now.
Line up right now, everyone. It is time to walk to the stage.
Please load faster. Please load faster. I need to see my little girl.
Teacher, can we wait a little bit longer for my dad to come?
I really hate this stupid computer so much. Work is ruining my life.
No, Sara. The beautiful music is starting right now. You must go out.
I have to go anyway. I do not care about this code anymore.
If you leave the office right now, you are completely fired from work.
He is not coming to see her. I knew he would lie again.
But my beautiful daughter is waiting for me at the big theater today.
I don't care. Return your work.
I told you, Mom. He only cares about his stupid work every time.
Okay, boss. I will sit down and finish this important code for you.
I have to be strong right now. I will dance by myself today.
I am so sorry, my sweet Sara. I broke my promise to you.
The stage light is so bright. There are so many people watching me.
I am a terrible father to her. I should be there right now.
I will dance perfectly for everyone today. I will be the best dancer.
She is probably dancing beautifully on the stage right now, without me there.
I am ready. I will show them all my very best dance moves.
I am almost done with this stupid code. Just a few more lines.
Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am floating like a bird.
Done. Finally. The code is completely finished. But it is too late now.
Spin around. I love to dance on this big stage for my family.
It is too late to go there anyway. The dance is already finished.
Smile big for the nice audience. I am doing a very good job. She is completely perfect today. I am so proud of my sweet daughter.
Almost finished with the dance. I will do my final fast spin now.
I should pack my bags and go home.
Ta-da! I did it perfectly without making any silly mistakes on the stage.
Bravo! Amazing job! You are the best dancer in the whole wide world!
That is my talented daughter. I love you so much, my beautiful Sara. She actually did it perfectly. I am a very proud big sister today. You were absolutely wonderful today, Sara. You deserve this big, special prize.
Thank you so much, teacher. I practiced very hard for this special day. You are the best dancer here, Sara. Your pink dress is very beautiful.
I am so happy right now. This gold trophy is very heavy. Come here to me, my little champion. You were so amazing up there. Mom, he did not come to watch me. I am so sad now. I know, my baby. I am so sorry he is a bad father.
Let's just go home to celebrate your big win with some nice cake.
She will never forgive me for this big mistake. I am the worst.
I just want to go home to my bed, Mom. I am tired.
Okay, baby. We are going home to rest right now. You did great.
Do not call Dad on the phone tonight. I am very angry at him.
I will not call him at all. He deserves to be alone tonight.
Where is my car parked? I am so tired and sad right now. I really hope they are not sleeping yet when I get back home. I will buy her sweet ice cream tomorrow to say sorry to her.
I will put this heavy gold trophy inside my bedroom right now.
I am finally home from work.
You are completely late for everything
Why is the house so dark?
because nobody is waiting for you.
I am so sorry I missed it.
Did you finish all your work?
The boss forced me to stay.
Your daughter won the big championship.
She actually won the dance competition?
Do not smile about it, Brian. She cried holding the gold trophy.
I broke her heart again today.
What are you doing down there?
I just need to see Sara.
We should help him apologize, Mom. Wipe your wet face right now, Dad.
I drove home as fast as I could.
I brought some sweet chocolate cake.
Thank you very much for this.
Take this cake to her room.
Will she open the door today? I will ask about the trophy.
Do not make her cry again.
Wish me very good luck tonight.
You can do this easily, Dad.
Sara, can I come inside, please?
Go away, I am crying now.
I brought some sweet chocolate cake.
I am watching my dance video.
I want to see your trophy.
You do not care about it.
I care more than anything else.
The door is open for you.
Hello, my little beautiful star dancer.
I am watching the sad video.
What are you watching right now?
Your front seat was a blank space.
Seeing that empty seat breaks my heart.
I looked for you up there.
I am so incredibly sorry, my princess.
Your apology cannot fix my empty seat.
I was trapped at this stupid office.
But you missed my most important moment.
I was so scared on that big stage.
I am a completely terrible father today. I will quit my job if I must.
You do not have to quit your job.
Are you really crying right now, Dad?
I just want you to forgive me.
Please never break your promise to me.
I will never break it again, ever. Come here and hug me very tightly.
I love you so much, Dad. They are hugging in there now. Let's go inside the room too. I am sorry for telling something in the morning that made you upset.
It is okay, big sister. You danced beautifully on the stage.
Thank you for watching my dance.
We do not need a perfect day.
I am sorry for everything today.
We just need you here with us.
I will never leave you alone again.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel.
Thank you very much for spending time.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.